Okay, welcome friends. In this video, we will learn about vraycosmos. What is vraycosmos? Vraycosmos is a kind of facility or a gift provided by the Vray to the 3ds Max that it will have a collection of n number of objects which we normally need in our scene. So I will tell you what are the objects and what are the scenes, right? So keep watching the video till end, then I will let you know each and every steps and some of the important things while using these things into your scene. So first of all, open your 3ds Max, create a base plane if you want to practice side by side. I'm making a base plane and over here the size of the plane, let's say 100 feet by 100 feet, right? Just a normal, you can create any. I'm just creating this base plane where I can just place my objects. Once you created this, you have to go, see, once you will, this thing will only be workable if you have installed the V-Ray plugin into your 3ds Max. So starting from this point to, you can just follow my cursor from this to this point. This entire tab is this entire tab you will be able to see once you have uh, perfectly installed the V-Ray plugin into the 3ds Max, else this tab will not be visible to your software. So once you are having this tab, you can see over here Cosmos browser. Click on it. You will be having this option. It is already open, so this window will get open. Okay, into this, this is a home screen of the Cosmos browser. I am again opening this. Click on this. You will have this window. So over here, it is giving you some options like you want to have. These all are totally free. Okay, no charge for this one. 3D models, materials that you need to apply on the walls, flooring, or any other thing. HDRIs are also there, and other miscellaneous things are there. So over here, just simply click on 3ds, sorry, this 3D model. So you will be having a list of things which are already created by the Cosmos designers. So over here on the left side, you can see different categories are there: furniture, accessory, lighting, vegetable. So whatever the vegetation, sorry, whatever the things you need, you can just download that. I will tell you how you will download and how you will import the things in the scene. Simply, let's say vehicles. Okay, so once you will click on the vehicle, it will show you the subcategories of it also. So you can see these things in front of you. Whatever the vehicle you want to download, you can download. Let's try one. See, on many of the pictures, you are unable to see anything onto the picture, and some of the pictures you will be able to see this blue tick. This blue tick means you have already downloaded this object. Okay, so this means whenever the next time you want to use this project, you only need to import this object. Okay, no need to download this, right? So I will tell you the difference between download, this blue button. Carefully see the button, this blue button and this green button. So this means wherever you are having the blue button, this thing you need to download. It is not downloading to your laptop or any other system. It is cloud. It is only downloaded in your system, cloud storage. So this is the object, this car. Okay, just simply, if it is, first of all, if this download button is there, download this, let's say, click on it, so it will start. And one thing, important thing, you need to create the account in vraycosmos. For the first time, if you are going to use this, first of all, it will ask you to put email ID and create new account. Then only you will be able to see this thing. Okay, so you can have an access to these things only after creation of the account into this one. So it is 35% downloaded. Just keep an eye onto this percentage, or even while downloading, if your downloading speed is slow, you can just simply close this window or minimize, you can continue the work onto the system. The download will not get cancelled. So again, you can open the Cosmos and you can see what is the progress. Okay, so at the background process, it keep on downloading. No need to worry if by mistake you have closed this Cosmos browser. So you can see once it is downloaded completely, this blue button changes into green. This means it is now ready to import. Click on this and you can see over here asset import in progress. When this get disappear, this means import is complete. Now it disappeared. Now just see the the thing is imported onto our scene. So you can see the object. Okay, keep this thing in mind. These objects are totally as per the real dimensions. So if you have created the scene as per good dimensions, perfect dimensions, so this will easily get fit into your scene. So whatever the real size of the bus is there in real life, the same size is there of this model. Now going to the Cosmos, going out of the uh, see if I have already downloaded this. Let's import this car. This is how you can simply use these objects. So it will get overlap at the 0, 0 coordinate. It will get transferred. Now you can see the car is of appropriate size has been downloaded. Right? So let's have some more things into the vegetation. I want any tree which is already, this is already downloaded or this is already downloaded. I will import this thing. Keep waiting until this notification is getting displayed. You can see the tree is also there. Okay, and if you want to create the copy of this, just simply press and hold shift key of your keyboard and drag this object and leave the button. Click on OK. You want instance reference. Okay, so instance means if you change the things in this material, the same thing will get changed to the other material. You can see if I am changing that is like whenever you are changing the attributes, I am not changing the other attributes of this thing. So I will tell you into one of the other object how this instance or copy will work. So you can create number of things over here as a copy or instance as per your convenience. Now if you want to add something else, going to people. Okay, so something, if it is not downloaded, first of all you need to download that thing. Sometimes these objects will take some time. Okay, importing this person. Okay, now you can see I am having this person, a dummy person, into the scene. Let's have some other materials, standing, walking, sitting, any kind of thing you can put into the scene. Let's say this horse, right? So there is nothing tough into the scene. Just you need to download and import the scene, import the object into your scene, right? It's there. Or into the architecture, you can have pre-made. You can have a look onto these things, whatever the things are there, which we normally need in our daily modeling. So this stop sign is there. Importing the stop sign. Right, so increase or decrease, you can increase or decrease the size of this. You can create the copy, You can rotate this thing, it's entirely up to you, right? Let's have something else. Okay, so it's clear. I hope the things are clear. So whatever the thing you want to be there into your scene, you can simply import the things. HDRIs are also there. So whatever the HDRI you want to use, let's say this one. Click on this. This is already downloaded. It will get import to your scene, right? So putting some material to the base, the floor we have created. Then I will show you into the render how the things will be visible. Okay, so into this Vray material library, which you can use for the materials also, or you can create your own material. It's entirely your choice. So giving any ground surface, let's say this one. Right, so I have created another video onto this UV map and HDRI, so you can have a look onto those videos and you will get to know that how these things work into this one. So before seeing the render of this, we need to put some camera and light. Put the camera. I will create another video onto the camera also soon. Within 1-2 days you will get a video onto the camera settings also. Light settings I have created of V-Ray sun as well as V-Ray light. Light is already there because we have already imported the HDRI. So going into the camera view, lowering the camera height, scene, putting things into scene. So this is your safe window. Now you can see how the things are visible into the scene. So this is the ready-made things which there is no need to create your new object into this. And now you can see, right? So only there is a need of rescaling the things or some light settings. So as I am changing the light settings or the things, you can make the scene more realistic. Changing the camera target, camera height, right? So I guess the things are clear to you. If I show you, I don't like this base. Mm, right now, I guess the things will be more realistic. Okay, the cloud and the light setting is because it depends on the HDRI, which HDRI you have installed. So let's see, making camera on this direction. Mm, over here. Now this is how the things will be visible to you. See, changing the direction of camera, you can see, right? Car, bus, person, everything is there. So this is how you can use these ready-made things in your scene. So if still you are having some doubts in this video, you can put into the comment box. And if you like this video, kindly like and share this video. Okay, thank you everyone.